taking up too much space. Get out of here. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow. I want some spicy fried wings and fries.
Nagugutom si Baby Sunny. Nakita siya ni Baby Lou. Natutuwa si Baby Jet at saka si Baby Red.
I want 2 ice creams. You can only buy 1.
Naiiyak si Baby Sunny. Natutuwa silang tatlo. Nasagasaan silang dalawa.
Heard you saying something last night in your sleep. Smiling on your face like you wouldn't believe. I think I see some changes in her.
Hindi na nakakalakad si Winnie kasi nasagasaan.
Can I take a photo with you?
You've taken up too much space. Get out of here.
Huh?
Nakakainis, natutuwa sila, bad.
I guess she was the girl who saved you.
Dati na yan eh. Ngayon malagay na sila.
Please forgive me.
Oh, it's okay. Don't be sad.
Ah!
Nag-hospital siya para makalakad
The
siya.
operation was successful. Thank you, doctor. Oh my god. This is Lumi, your new teammate.
Hello. Hi.
So get her ready for the stage.
Gabi na. Binuksan kasi yung video kay gabi.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ouchie! Ouchie! Nasagasaan eh.
Get up now.
Trapped inside the mind of a dreamer, losing sight of all the visions in my head. I've been tossing all my thoughts off the deep end, drowning out my fears with tears instead. I've been searching for a peace of mind. Why is certainty so hard to find. I feel like I've been wasting all my time. Everything I tell myself is a lie. Realize I'm 6 feet underground. I've got dreams on my
Just focus and do it again.
flowers to be found. I keep screaming, shouting, this is my battleground. Though I'm trapped inside the mind of a dreamer, my fears can't hold me down. Woohoo!
Nagugutom na. Walang makain.
I want some spicy fried wings and fries.
May sabaw. Merong sabaw. Doggies.
Para malakas ang puso, mata, resistensya at buong katawan. Center Advance.
So, bye-bye na guys.